This appetizer is perfect for starting an elegant and sophisticated dinner with a touch of excellence. The polenta, a typical dish from northern Italy, and the scallops, a prized seafood, combine beautifully in this snack. Here's the recipe. Ingredients: polenta, ready-made or to cook, 200 grams. Scallops, 6 to 8, depending on size. Butter, 30 grams. Garlic, 1 clove. Fresh parsley, to taste. Lemon juice, to taste. Salt and pepper, to taste. Extra virgin olive oil, to taste. Preparation: cook the polenta. If you are using instant polenta, follow the instructions on the package. If you are using ready-made polenta, cut it into squares or circles and grill it on a hot plate or in a pan until it becomes crispy on the outside. Preparing the scallops: pat the scallops dry with kitchen paper. Heat a nonstick pan over medium-high heat, add a drizzle of oil, and place the scallops in it. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown. Remove the scallops from the pan and keep them warm. Make the dressing. In the same pan, melt the butter and add the chopped garlic. Cook for a minute and then add some chopped parsley and lemon juice. Season with salt and pepper. Assemble the dish. Arrange the polenta on plates, place the scallops on top, and pour over the garlic butter dressing. Curiosity: scallops are highly appreciated in both Italian and international cuisines for their tender flesh and delicate flavor. They are often used in refined dishes and can be prepared in various ways, from simple grilling to more elaborate recipes like gratins or carpaccios.